What's inside a CPU chip? In this episode, we're diving into the world of microchips, exploring the insides of CPUs, and uncovering the billions of nanoscale transistors and intricate wiring that makes them work. Did you know that a smartphone packs around 60 to microchips, together containing nearly 90 billion transistors to make them factories load silicon wafers onto machines? For processing, a journey that takes about 1,000 steps and 3 months to complete. By then, each wafer is covered with hundreds of CPU clusters, each holding 2.61 billion transistors. The wafer is then sliced into individual chips, tested, packaged, and finally installed into devices like our desktop computers. So let's crack open this desktop computer and take a closer look. At its heart, the CPU. Inside, this chip integrates 24 key components, from the memory controller to the graphics processor. Zoom into the block diagram, and you'll spot 400 transistors packed tightly, together working like tiny laborers to perform 32-bit multiplication. They may account for just 0.0017% of the CPU's 26.1 billion transistors, but their role is absolutely essential. Zooming in further, the view becomes even more intricate. The multiple layers of metal wiring forms the chips. The neural network at the very bottom lies. The transistors that handle the logic essentially serves as the chip's brain. These metal layers aren't isolated. The spaces between, they are filled with insulating material, ensuring currents stay on their own paths without interference. You'll also notice vertical vias running through the layers, acting like bridges that connect the wires across different levels. In fact, each CPU has 17 layers of metal wiring. As you move upward, the interconnections get larger. The bottom local interconnects, moving data around circuits, like the 32-bit multiplier. The middle layers move data across the core. And the top global interconnects form a vast network that sends data to every corner of the CPU. Finally, let's zoom in once more, past the interconnected layers, to see the incredible fin type field effect transistors. Their channel dimensions range from 36,650 nanometers, with just 57 nanometers between each transistor. Imagine that, smaller than dust particles, nearly on the scale of a human hair. This nanoscale world inside microchips truly shows the brilliance and sophistication of modern technology. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting semiconductor episodes. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.